Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about the exercise 6.2 from the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Okay, so before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and also press the bell button to get the notification at the earliest. Okay, so let's start with the video. You can see the first question here, find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Okay, as you can see there are few monomials given here. We have to find the product of this monomials. Okay, so in that first one comes 4,7p. So what do you mean by product? Product is nothing but we have to multiply these things. Okay, so we will write the first one, that is 4 into 7p. So the answer will be 4 7s are 28 and p will be as it is. Okay. Next, coming to the next question, minus 4p, 7p is given. So minus 4p into 7p we will write. So here you can see the numerical term is along with the alphabets here. Okay, so what we will do here is we will just separate the numerical terms and the alphabets, p into p. So what will be the answer? That is minus 4 into 7 is, okay, then here you can see minus 4 into 7 is given. Minus 4 into 7 is nothing but minus 28. Okay, minus 28, and p into p is nothing but p square. When we multiply this, the powers of both the p's will get add up. We will get 28 p square. Okay, next comes minus 4p and 7p cube. We will write minus 4p into 7p cube. Okay, so here we are having the numerical terms, that is minus 4 into 7, and the alphabets we are having both the side p, so we will write p first, p into p, and the remaining alphabet is q. Okay, so minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. Okay, and p into p, again it will become p square, and this q will be as it is. Okay, next coming to the fourth one, 4p cube and 3p minus 3p. 4p cube into minus 3p. So here we will get 4 into minus 3, okay, as the numerical terms. Then we are having p cube into p. P cube into p. So here we will get 4 3s are 12, and this minus will be as it is. So p cube into p to the power of 1. So we will write p as it is, and the powers will get add up. So it will become p to the power of 4. So next comes the fifth one, 4p and 0. So here it will become 4p into 0. So any number when it is multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0 itself. Okay, this is the solution for your first question. Okay, then you can see the second one question here. Find the areas of rectangle with the following pairs of monomial as their length and breadth respectively. So here they have given so many questions, and we have to think this as length and breadth, again same length and breadth, again length and breadth, similarly here also. Okay, so what we have to find here is, that is area of rectangle. So first we need to know what is the formula to find area of rectangle. So that is area of rectangle, A will be equals to length into breadth, that is L into B. This is the formula to find the area of rectangle. Okay, so moving on to the first one, we are having here P comma Q. Okay, so as our L is equal to P here and B is equals to Q here, substitute in this, we will get L into B, that is P into Q, that is nothing but PQ. We can write this P into Q as PQ. Okay, moving on to the second one, that is 10m, 5n. Here what they have taken? 10m comma 5n. Here they have taken our L is equals to 10m and B is equals to 5n. Substituting this in the above formula, we will get 10m into 5n. Okay, as we have done above, we will separate this numerical term as well as alphabet term, that is 10 into 5 and m into n. What answer we are going to get is 10 5s are 50 and this m into n will become mn. Okay, next moving to the third question. That is 20x square and 5y square. So we will write 20x square comma 5y square. So here our L is 20x square and B is 5y square. So it will become 20x square into 5y square. As our L into B, okay, L into B, according to this formula, it will become 20x square into 5y square. Again, we will separate the numerical as well as alphabet terms, that is 20 into 5 and x square into y square. Okay, so what answer we are going to get here is 20 into 5, that is nothing but 100, and x square into y square is nothing but x square y square. Okay. Similarly, the fourth one, that is 4x comma 3x square. So here our L is 4x and breadth is 3x square. So it will become 4x into 3x square. Okay. Then again we will get, what we have to do here is, we have to separate the numerical term, that is 4 into 3, and the alphabetic term, that is x into x square. So 4 3s are, we are having 4 3s are 12, and x, as this is having x to the power of 1 and x to the power of 2, when we add this, we are going to get x to the power of 3. Okay. Next, the last one here, fifth one, that is 3mn comma 4np. Okay, here L is our 3mn and B is 4np. Okay, as we can move here, so 3mn into 4np. Okay, so separating the numerical values, 3 into 4 we will get, and here we can see m is single. Okay, n is 2 time here, so we will write n into n, and p is 1 time, so we will write it like this. Okay, so it will be 3 4s are 12, m will be as it is, n into n, it will become n square, and p will be as it is. Okay. Okay, next moving on to the third question. You can see here complete the table of product is given, and here one table is given. You can see here first monomial is given in this way and second monomial is given in this way. What we have to do is we have to find the product here. It means we have to multiply the first monomial along with the second monomial. So when we multiply 2x into 2x, what we are going to get is 2 into 2 is, that is 2 into 2, that is 4, and x into x, that is x square. Then the second term we can see here, what we have to do, we have to multiply minus 5y with this 2x. So minus 5 into 2, what we are going to get is minus 10. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, and x into y is nothing but xy. Similarly here, 3x square and 2x is given. 3 into 2 is 3 2s are 6. X square and x is x cube. Okay. Then minus 4xy and 2x is given. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Xy into x. Okay. X into x. Again we are having x square and y will be as it is. Okay. As we can see here, we are multiplying x here 2 times, x and x. So it will become x square and y is as it is. Next, the next question is 7x square y into 2x. 7 2s are 14. X square into x, it will become x to the power of 3 and y will be as it is. Next, minus 9x square y square and 2x. Minus 9 into 2 is 9 2s are 18 and minus will be as it is. X square into x will become x cube and y square will be as it is. Okay. Next, moving on to the next part. 2x and minus 5y is given. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 and x into y will become xy. As you can see here, this one, the product of this 2x and the product of this minus 5y, we will get the answer here. Similarly, the product of 2x and this 3x square, we have to write the product here. So on, we have to fill this table. Okay. Next, we can see minus 5y and minus 5y. So here minus into minus, we will get plus. 5 5s are 25 and y into y we are getting y square. Okay. Next, 3x square and minus 5y. 3 5s are 15. Minus will be as it is. X square and y. X square will be as it is and y will be as it is. Next, minus 4xy and minus 5y. Minus into minus, again we are having plus. 5 4s are 20. Okay, x into, here there is no x, so x will be as it is and y into y is nothing but here it will become y square. Okay, then the next question, 7x square y is given. 7 into minus 5. 7 5s are 35 and minus will be as it is. X square will be as it is and y into y is nothing but again y square. Okay, then minus 9 and minus 5. So minus into minus will become plus. 9 5s are 45 we are having. X square will be as it is. Here y square and y is present. So it will become y cube. Okay. Next. So 3x square and 2x. 3 2s are 6. And x square into x will become x cube. Okay. Then minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 into 3. Minus 5 3s are 15. X square will be as it is and this y will be as it is. Next comes 3x square and again 3x square. 3 3s are we are having 9. X square into x square, it will become x to the power of 4. Okay, next is minus 4xy and 3x square. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. 4 3s are 12 and x and x square we are having x cube and y will be as it is. Next, 7x square y and 3x square. 7 3s are 21. X square and x square, it will become x to the power of 4. What we have to do here, we will add this powers, x square this power as well as this x squares this power. So it will become 21 x to the power of 4 and y will be as it is. So the last one here is minus 9 and 3. 9 3s are 27. Minus will be as it is. 27 will be as it is. Sorry, 9 3s are 27. X square and x square, it will become x to the power of 4 and y square will be as it is. So the next one here is 2x into minus 4xy. So 2 4s are 8 we are having. And this minus sign will be as it is. So here x square into x will become x cube and here y is there but here there is no y. So it will become y will be as it is. Okay. Next, minus 5y into minus 4xy. Minus into minus will become plus. 5 4s are 20 and x will be as it is, as there is no x here, x will be as it is, and y into y will become y square. Okay, next question. So minus 4xy and 3x square. So here minus will be as it is. 4 3s are 12. X square, here x square into x will become x to the power of 3 and y will be as it is. Next minus 4xy and minus 4xy. Here it will become minus into minus, it will become plus. 4 4s are 16. X into x will become x square and y into y will become y square. Next comes 7x square y and minus 4xy. Okay. So here the answer will be 7 4s are 28 we will be having, and this minus sign will be as it is. So here x square into x will be x cube. Okay, and y into y is nothing but y square. Similarly here minus 9x square y square and minus 4xy. Minus into minus will become plus. 9 4s are 36 we will be having, and x square into x is nothing but x to the power of 3 x cube. Okay, y square into again y is y cube. Okay, then we are having 2x into 7x square y. 7 2s are, we are having 7 2s are 14. X into x square is x cube and y will be as it is. Then minus 5 and 7. Okay, minus 5 into 7. Minus 7 5s are 35. Okay, and x square we are having as it is. As we are not having x square here, only x square is here, so x square will be here as it is, and y into y will be y square. Okay, next 3x square and 7x square y. 7 3s are, we are having 7 3s are 21. Okay, x square into x square, it means x to the power of 4 and y will be as it is. So next you can see here minus 4xy and 7x square y is given. 7 4s are, so we have to multiply this numerators here. So 7 4s are, we are having 28 and this minus sign will be as it is. Okay, x into x square is nothing but x cube and y into y is nothing but y square. Okay, 7x square y into 7x square y. 7 7s are, we are having 49 and x square into x square is nothing but x to the power of 4 and y into y is nothing but y square. Okay, next minus 9x square y square and 7x square y. So minus 7 9s are, we are having 56. Okay, so minus will be as it is. X square into x square will become x to the power of 4 and y into y square we are having y to the power of 3. Next comes minus x square y square into 2x. Minus 9 into 2 is minus 18. X square into x is x cube and y square will be as it is. Okay, next we can see the next question. Minus 5y and minus 9x square y square. Okay, so minus into minus, here we are going to get plus. 9 5s are 45 and x square will be as it is, y square and y will become y to the power of 3. Okay, then 3x square into minus 9x square y square. So minus will be as it is. 9 3s are 27 we are having, and x square into x square will become x to the power of 4 and y square will be as it is. Next, moving on to the next one, minus 4xy and minus 9x square y square. Minus into minus, it will become plus. 9 4s are, we are having 36, and x square into x will become x cube and y square into y will become y cube. Next, 7x square y and minus 9x square y square. 7 9s are, we are having again 56, minus will be as it is. x square into x square is x to the power of 4. Y square into y is y to the power of 3. The last one, minus 9 x square y square and minus 9 x square y square. Minus into minus will become plus. 9 nines are, we are having 81. X square into x square, again it will become x to the power of 4. Y square into y square, again we are having y to the power of 4. Okay, let's see the next question. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Okay, so this is given as length, this is breadth and this is represented as height. So first we should know what is the formula to find the volume of rectangle. Okay, so I will write the formula here. So volume of rectangle V is equal to length into breadth into height. So this is the formula to find the volume of the rectangle. So according to the formula, what we have to do here is we have to multiply all these three terms. So our L is equals to 5A. Okay, then our B is equals to 3A square and H is equals to 7A to the power of 4. Okay, so according to formula we have to write L into B into H, that is 5A into 3A square into 7A to the power of 4. So first what we have to do here is we will separate the numerical terms, that is 5 into 3 into 7 and A into A square into A to the power of 4. So here 5 3s are, we are having 5 3s are 15. Then 15 into 7 is nothing but 105. Okay, so here it will become a to the power of 1 and a to the power of 2 and multiplied by a to the power of 4. So what we have to do is here we will keep a as it is and we have to add all the powers. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. So this is the answer here. Next you can see in the same question there is one more question, that is 2p into 4q into 8r. So our L is here 2p and B is 4q and H is nothing but 8r. So we have to multiply here 2p into 4q into 8r. So it will become here in case of multiplication we will separate the numerical terms here and as well as the alphabetical terms, that is PQ into P into Q into R. So 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64 we are getting, then P, Q and R multiplied P, Q and R. So this is the answer here. Okay, moving on to the third one. So you can see here xy, 2x square y and 2xy square is given. So here L is equals to xy and B is equals to 2x square y and similarly our H is equals to 2xy square. Okay, as we have to multiply this, it will become xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Okay, as we have to separate here the numerical terms, here there is no numerical term, so we will keep this as it is and we will take the numerical term of the other two quantities, that is 2 into 2. Okay, and here you can separate x terms differently and you can separate the y term differently. So here in the first case we are having x into, here we are having x square and in the third term we are having x. Similarly y, in the first term we are having only y, in the second term we are having only y and in the third term we are having y square. So here the answer will be 2 2s are 4, x. Okay, x we will write as it is and the powers here will be 1 and here will be 1. So as we add this, it will become x to the power of 4. Similarly here the powers will be 1 and 1. When we add this, we are going to get y to the power of 4. You can see the fourth last one here, a into 2b and 3c is given. Here L is nothing but our a, b is 2b and height is 3c. Okay, as we have multiplied here a into 2b into 3c, we have to separate the numerical terms here. That is, here there is no numerical term, we can leave it as it is. You can see here there is numerical term, so we will write 2 into 3 and the remaining terms, that is a into b into c as it is. So it will become 2 3s are 6 and a into b into c, we will write a into b into c as it is. So this is the answer here. Okay. The next one we will see the fifth question. Obtain the product of is given. Okay, there are few questions here, 4 questions here, and we have to find the product of all these questions. So here the answer will be, product means here we have to multiply all these 3 terms. So here it will become xy into yz into zx. Okay, so here there is no numerical term. What we have to do is we will separate the x terms, we will separate the y terms, as well as we will separate the z terms. So here how many x are given? X and x. So we will keep x and x as it is. Okay, then we will keep y and y as it is. Okay, then the last thing, we will separate the z into z terms. Okay, so here x is how many times? X is given 2 times here. Since the power is x to the power of 1 and x to the power of 1, we will add this, it will become x square. Similarly here y is having 1 and 1 as power and z is having 1 and 1 as power. So it will become y to the power of 2 and as well as z to the power of 2. Okay. Moving on to the second question. Here we can see what is given. All the terms are the same base. All the terms are having the same base. So we will keep the base same. Before this we have to write it as in the product form. Okay, into a to the power of 3. So as the bases are same, we will keep the base as it is and we will add all the powers here. So it is 1 plus 2, it is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And you can see 1 minus sign is given here. That minus sign we will keep as it is. Okay. Next, the third question. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y to the power of 3. Okay, next what we will do here is we will separate all the numerical terms here, that is 2 into 4 into 8 into 16, and all the alphabetical terms, that is y into y square into y to the power of 3, that is y cube. Okay, so here we will get 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are, again we are going to get 8 8s are 64, and 64 into 16 is nothing but 1024. Okay, and y to the power of 1, y to the multiplied by y to the power of 2 and multiplied by y to the power of 3. So here we will get y will be as it is and we have to add the powers. So that is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is the answer here. Okay, next the fourth one problem here. So it will become a into 2b into 3c into 6abc. Okay, first what we have to do here, we have to separate the numerical term as well as the constant and variable, that is 2 into 3 into 6. Okay, then we will separate the a terms here. A is how many times here? A is 2 times, so we will keep a into a. Then b is 2 times, so we will keep b into b, and c is 2 times, so we will keep c into c. Okay, then we will get 2 3s are 6 and 6 into 6 is 36, and a is 2 times, so it will become a to the power of 2. Similarly, b is square and c into c is c square. Okay, and the last question of this exercise, that is m into minus mn into mnp. So you can see here, as there is no numerical term here, what we will do here is we will separate these alphabets. Okay, so here m into minus m and into m, Okay, n is how many times? N is 2 times, that is n into n. Okay, and again it is only one p is given, so it will become m is how many times? M is 3 times, so we will keep m is 3 with the minus sign as it is. Okay, so n into n will become n square and p will be as it is. So this is the answer here. I hope you understood this video and understood the exercise 6.2. If you have any doubt regarding this exercise, you can comment me down below, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.